Have you ever liked someone in girls?
No, I'm Sakht Londa. Hey guys, my name is Mustafa and
And I'm me. It's my YouTube channel.
he is Hadi. We are going to do bottle flip challenge. The first one to stand the bottle flip, he will tell the other guy how, truth or dare. Let's go.
Like, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes.
No.
No.
Inshallah. No.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
No.
No.
Yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yes! Have you ever liked someone in girls?
No, I'm Sakht Londa.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूँ।
So funny. Now your turn. Now.
What truth? Have you ever steal from the shop? Have you ever steal from the shop?
No, I never. I give money and then go. If I don't have money, I ask my parents, right?
Done.
Okay.
Inshallah.
No.
Why the water dropping from the bottle? Truth.
Do you ever steal the money from your dad's pocket?
No. If I steal, there will be nishan of a chappal. Of a shoe on my face. Yes. Mamarja,
It's your turn.
start. If you ever steal from your dad or you didn't, if you did, don't subscribe and like. If you didn't,
No! If you ever steal from your dad, subscribe but don't like.
let's go. It's my turn. Please.
Yeah!
What do you want to choose?
Dare.
Dare. To that girl and say I want this. Go.
Which
Go.
girl?
Which
I like this one.
Roses. Yes. Go. Or the tall guy.
The tall guy,
Both of
he's
one.
tough.
Both
but
of
the
one.
girls, not both of them, only one.
One of
The
them.
blue guy that's on there.
Okay, the blue guy. Okay, go. Put the mic here. Tell him. What? Ask the girl. I told you. No. Give me. What are you doing, Adi? It's bad manners.
Your bad manner.
Yeah. What do I choose? There.
Okay. I choose
Hello.
dance in the middle of the gym.
How time? Just
Nah.
okay.
Third day. Oh. दूसरा dear. So embarrassing. Your turn. It was super funny. Baby shark.
Oh, it was so cool. Inshallah.
What? Chala.
यार क्या मजाक है Dear.
Ask that white shirt uncle to kiss me here.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
Go and shake hands with that white shirt uncle.
The boy or the uncle?
The uncle. Go. I said go.
The mustache?
I said
The uncle with mustache?
yes. Why? With the white shirt. The blue shirt, okay. No, white shirt. White shirt. Okay, that's all. Go. Go. I said go. Go faster. Go faster. If he leaves, I'm going to kill you. Go. Or else I'm going to throw this bottle on your head. Don't go that way. Go. I said go. I'm coming.
बहुत बड़े करोगे आ जाओ इतनी एक्सरसाइज होती है तुमको एक्सरसाइज क्या करना
Truth. Okay, truth. Have you ever kissed your dad on the
Yes.
cheek?
Yes. That's a gun cover.
Take it.
Inshallah.
No!
What do you have to choose?
Okay. Shoo.
Have you ever steal money in your house?
Only one time. And I didn't give it back.
Chor.
Only.
Shehbaz Sharif.
Now I can.
कहाँ पे टांग रही है?
Yes! Have you ever fighted with a boy?
Yes, very much. I break.
As Abdullah did.
I don't know. I have break his leg when I was gymming. But I have fight.
Your turn. Whee!
What do you want to choose?
Go.
And stand on the outdoor gym. This and fall from it and do acting of
Baby shark.
and crying. Outdoor gym. On the outdoor gym, stand on it. And do acting of crying.
Not my turn.
Truth.
Have you ever stealed someone's pencil?
One I return on the next day.
That's calling steal.
Why?
Did you ask them? Did you ask them to? Can I take it? That's a bilkul steal.
No, then I return it.
Yeah,
on the
you
next day.
you return it, but you didn't ask him. Okay.
Siya madraka every day. Ay, mazak. Dear.
Go and ask that pink girl, give me the swing. The
I will say and I just run. Yes, I will just say and run. No, that art. You don't tell that to have this swing. I'm going and asking. Running.
be close to her and then we'll do it. No, he did me this risky thing. He lost, so I was. Give me that. Give me that.